Hello. Happy Thanksgiving to those who are celebrating Thanksgiving. I hope this day is a very wonderful, happy holiday for a whole lot. A lot of folks who's doing a lot of cooking and all. I thought about cooking, but I decided not to, and I'm very thankful for that. I'm very thankful I didn't have the money to go out here and waste my time, my money, and effort in cooking this Thanksgiving Day. I'm very thankful for that. I'm just thankful that to wake up every day and see a brand new day every day. That's what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful for what family I have left, who I love dearly and the most. I'm thankful for that. I'm thankful that I don't have a flood of people coming in my home just to come and freeload their fat faces and their mouth to everything that I cook. I'm very thankful for that. I'm thankful that I am stress-free. I'm thankful for the up and coming of things in my life. That's what I'm thankful for, from my struggles into where I'm at right now. I'm thankful for that. It don't take a Thanksgiving meal for me to be thankful, once a year for anything. I'm thankful every day of the year. So if it takes Thanksgiving for people just to come together, the same folks that you gather around with probably be the same ones that you probably have beef with, and that's the only ones that will come together because you cooked, and they probably only want to see what the hell you cooked, only to feed their fat mouths with, okay? That's the only time people come together. No, I think people should come together every day in life, not because it's Thanksgiving, not because it's Christmas. Me and my other children here, we were just talking about that. I told them flat out, I'm glad I'm not cooking. For a simple fact, Thanksgiving once a year, it truly makes me see what type of family I fucking have. It really does. And it really brings out who's fake and who's real, okay? I really truly sees that. That's how the way I see Thanksgiving. I really do. So Thanksgiving, that's the only time when people will gather around because it's food, it's a big fest and everything, but you can't gather around any other time of the year, and it only takes Thanksgiving. Wow, I'm very thankful that I did not cook. I'm just thankful that I do have what type of family I have left, and that's what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful that I truly indeed see the type of family that I truly have. Did anybody call and say Happy Thanksgiving? No. Did anybody text and say Happy Thanksgiving? No. Did anybody try to make forth an effort just to come and see how anybody doing on this Thanksgiving Day? No. If it takes where every year, well, we're going to see what so-and-so cooked, so-and-so did or whatever, just to come together, what's the point of having Thanksgiving? I'm glad I'm not even doing it. I'm glad I'm not. I have peace of mind. I really do. So, this is the first Thanksgiving that I'm not cooking, and I'm glad I'm not cooking. I really is. So, what I'm thankful for, I am thankful to wake up every day to see a new day. I'm thankful for my accomplishments in life. That's what I'm thankful for. I am thankful for what family I have left, and who I truly indeed love, and the ones who love me the most. That's what I'm thankful for. I'm thankful that I even got a daggone job and still surviving out here. I'm glad I survived the pandemic. That's what I'm thankful for, okay? I'm just thankful a whole lot. It don't take no Thanksgiving dinner just to be thankful for anything in life. If that's the case, then damn, that's messed up. Christmas, I don't even celebrate Christmas. I'm glad, you know what, when Christmas rolls around, why should I go out here and spend money on this and that, and I could buy it all year round? Do it take holidays just to come together, just to be one? Really? Really, does it? That's how I truly feel. That's just me. Hate me, love me, like me, I don't care. But that's how the way I see the holidays. It seems like the holidays, that's the only time when people come together. And chances are, the ones that you come together with, Most of the times you probably at each other's throats, and then that's the only time you come together when it's fucking ass food on the daggone table. I'm glad I don't even have a dead bird on my table to celebrate with. I'm glad I ain't cooking any other meals up in here. I'm happy. I'm glad. Because I really don't need it. Why? I don't need the high blood pressure. I don't need to be gaining all that weight. I ain't trying to become a diabetic. I ain't trying to have all them carbs and all that garbage and stuff. You know what? Thanksgiving, I'd rather have me a beautiful ass salad, fruit, water, tea, apple cider vinegar, and whatever else that's healthy. I don't want all that unhealthy ass shit at my damn house any fucking ass way. And that's how the way I really, truly, indeed feel. Only thing I just want to be on Thanksgiving, just be around loving family, just having a good time. It don't take a daggone meal just to be thankful and just to gather around. Shit, I'd rather gather around any other time of the day. But why it gotta be Thanksgiving? I'm just saying. And that's how the way I feel about the holiday. And like my son had just said, it ain't nothing but cooking. People just gathering around. It's just a freeloading day, and that's how the way I see it. It's just a freeloading day. That's all. Bounce here, bounce there, just a freeload day. You probably just feeding somebody because they probably don't even got nothing to eat. They probably don't have nothing. Just a freeload day. That's how the way I see it. So I'm just thankful I ain't got no money to go out here and spend on that food like I did one Thanksgiving. That was one Thanksgiving I cooked. Did anybody bother about coming? That's the day I had a meltdown. That's the day I didn't want that food in my house. I just want to throw everything that I put my hard-earned money into, my time and effort, and prepare all that food in my kitchen. I was ready to throw all that food away, but my daughter told me no. She got on the phone, started making phone calls, and started distributing plates. We just gave the food out to whoever. And I said I would never do it again. Never. Thanksgiving to me, it really brings out the true, real people in your life. You will see who really cares about you and who don't. That's why I don't give a damn crap about Thanksgiving. It's just another daggone day. Why should I go out here and waste my time and effort and money just to cook up something and nobody don't come around? But when they cook, they want you to come around. But when you do something big, nobody don't show up. And that really is heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. I would never do it again. Never. And most of the time when you do fix something, people, it's like, they act like they happy. You can see the fakeness in people. You can see the fakeness. Those are the ones that probably go behind your back and talk about you. And that's another thing too about Thanksgiving. You might have a hater at your damn table and not even know it. That's why I won't want nobody around Thanksgiving Day. You know, Thanksgiving Day, you really, truly, indeed run into those who are fake, jealous and envious of you. When you have all those people gathering, you're gonna have mixed emotion, mixed personalities there. People don't come together as a loving thing. And yeah, thank you, baby. And it's true. It really is true. I'd rather do Thanksgiving with a low number of people, a small amount of people that I know that they're going to be loving and caring, not have a bunch of people coming around just like they having a good time, but at the same time, they could be jealous of you, hating on you and everything. You got it like a snake in your house, scorpions and everything. I wouldn't want that around me on Thanksgiving Day. And then the drama that comes along with it. I'm glad. I'm so glad. So I am thankful just to be here. I'm thankful for everything that I have accomplished in life. I am thankful that I no longer have certain people in my life. I'm thankful for that. I am thankful for certain ones who allow me to see who they truly are, who I thought they was something and there was nothing. I am thankful, really thankful. and happy to be single and not be with no one. Sometimes in life, it takes a person or person to really wake you up, to really truly see what people is truly indeed is all about out here, and that's what I'm thankful for. Thank you, and I'm very, very thankful for having you as my daughter. You, Crystal, Danielle, I'm thankful. I'm blessed. And I'm thankful for the sons that I have. Even though I do have a knucklehead son, and I love him. But I'm going to go ahead and get on off of here. That's what I'm thankful for. It don't take a holiday meal just to be thankful for anything in life. No, Thanksgiving, it makes me see the true people who they are in life. Really. Enjoy your meal. Don't overeat. Don't gain no weight. Don't wind up with cardiac arrest. None of that. I don't need all that. It's just unhealthy eating. To me it is. It's unhealthy eating. I prefer a salad, fruit, anything healthy to eat on a Thanksgiving day. I'm about to get off of here. God bless. Happy Thanksgiving. Not for me. God bless.